Let's go. This is Fossil Falls. Used to be a waterfall here. That's gross. Okay, let's go. Go up. I'm gonna follow you. We can go up this. Let's go this way. It looks cool. Told you it's slippery. Go up there. Up that way where they are. Look at the little cave thing.